In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in an Azure DevOps Wiki. If you're working with documentation or presenting information neatly in Azure DevOps, knowing how to effectively use tables can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive in and explore the specifics of creating and editing tables in your wikis. First, let's start with the basic Markdown table syntax. In Azure DevOps, as well as in Git Markdown files, you can create standard Markdown tables using a simple yet structured format. Visualize your table as a grid. The first row is where you'll place your headers, separating each with a pipe character. For instance, you might have columns named Column 1, Column 2, and Column 3. Beneath your headers, it's essential to define a separator line. This line comprises hyphens, which you place under each header, also separating with pipes. This line is crucial as it indicates that the text above is a header. Each row following this will be your data rows where you input your specific content, again separating each cell content with pipes. To enhance the aesthetics of your table or to improve the clarity of your data presentation, you can align text within your columns. For left alignment, place a colon on the left side of your hyphens in the separator row. For center alignment, bookend your hyphens with colons. Lastly, for right alignment, place a colon on the right side. By doing this, you ensure your table not only conveys information effectively, but also looks polished and professional. Using alignment properly can make significant differences, especially when dealing with lots of numerical data or text-heavy content. These elements are thoroughly documented in the Markdown guidance for Azure DevOps, should you ever need a reference. Now, moving on to using the Azure DevOps Wiki UI to insert and edit tables. When you're in the process of editing a wiki page within Azure DevOps, harnessing the power of the wiki's toolbar can make tasks easier for you. You can use the handy Insert Table button, which is depicted as a grid icon in the toolbar menu. By clicking this, you can visually select your desired number of rows and columns, tailoring the table to suit your specific dataset or information needs. Once your table is set up, you can freely edit the contents. Feel like you need an extra row or column? No problem. Azure DevOps allows you to adjust your table as needed. Plus, if you're working with particularly large tables, which can sometimes make the text less readable, you can toggle the word wrap feature in the editor. This will help ensure your table remains clean and legible, improving the overall readability and professionalism of your document. With these tools and techniques, you can effectively manage tables in your Azure DevOps Wiki, enhancing not just the presentation of your data, but also the overall usability of your documentation.